Carry everything you need in a timeless, all-new style. Introducing the Highlander Tote from Duluth Pack. Durable and guaranteed for life, but beautiful, this tote comes with great organization at a lighter weight. The Highlander Tote is the ideal large-sized tote bag for everyday use with style to dress it up for special occasions. The bag comes complete with longer, premium rolled leather handles for an elegant look and feel. These handles are comfortable and at a fixed length. The handles are secured to the bag with hand-pounded rivets. The underside of the bag is protected by a double-layered reinforced premium leather bottom. The outside features two end pockets, which are great for large-sized water bottles of about 32 ounces in size, depending on the shape of the water bottle. The inside features a full-length, half-height pocket for internal style and organization. The interior of this bag can fit approximately 22 liters. As well as a hanging clip perfect for hanging your keys or lanyard. You can also hang a Duluth Pack gear stash for added organization. This bag is great for everyday uses, for work, for travel, for school, and can be used as a diaper bag. Carry everything you need in timeless style. The Duluth Pack Highlander Tote. Shop now, in store, or online.